Welcome everybody to my channel. My name is Zena Kim, and today I'm going to show you how to do an eyebrow. So as you can see, I'm drawing a bottom line to get us started. So now I'm going up on the top. And right here is tricky. You want to do a nice curve, go around, and now you're going to connect the dots. Boom. So at this point, I'm going to take my eyeliner pencil and I'm going to do some soft strokes upwards to fill in the brow. And fill in the brow as much as possible. Nice soft strokes. Okay. So now here in the front, it's important to smooth that out by just brushing it so that it's not boxy in the front. So I call it shading, just shading out the front of the brow, but also making sure that all of the hairs are going upwards. Let's take in a brush and making sure all the hairs are going upwards. Nice and neat. Shading out the front of the brow. But making sure that the hairs are all going upwards. Being very nice and neat. So now we're going to use Photo Face by Ardell, which is a concealer to clean up the brow. I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm going to go straight under the brow and be as precise as possible. The key is to make sure you have a nice straight line. It's very imperative that this line is precise, so if you take pictures afterwards, this plays a major role in your eyeshadow look. So just take your time. If you have to go back, just take your time. Boom. So now I'm just pulling down the concealer. All the product that was right there under the brow, I'm just pulling it down. Going back, just making sure everything is nice and straight, nice and smooth. So I took my brush, I put everything down, and I smoothed it out. So I cut out the bottom, and then I also cut out the top. So I'm making sure that everything is blended and nice and smooth. So now I'm taking my brush and I'm making sure that all the hairs are going upwards and everything looks nice and neat. So I'm taking my brush, making sure everything is shaded really good in the front, that it's not looking too boxy. But then I take my brush again and I make sure all the hairs are going upwards. Make it look nice and natural, clean and precise. And this is the brow.